How to unblock user in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can unblock users in Telegram. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Unblocking a user in Telegram is a fairly simple process. Open up the Telegram app and make sure that you log into your account. Tap on the three lines icon from the top left of the screen. Then simply go to the option that says Settings and tap on it. From Settings, we can see many options. To find blocked users, go to Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, go to the option that says Blocked Users and tap on it. Here you can see all the people that you've blocked, not only people but also the bots and so on. So to unblock them, tap the three dots option, tap the Unblock User button to unblock it. This way you can unblock user in Telegram. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.